Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the PS4 Pro Edition GameStop version. So, as I was saying, the the Call of Duty Endowment one that, if you don't know what the Call of Duty Endowment is, they had one for quite a couple of years now. It's something that gives back to the troops, to the armed forces, to veterans and stuff. Where it's like, hey, we'll give you money so, you could buy a suit so you could go to a job interview. So you're not, like, someone on the streets that's betting, can I have a coat change for like, a hamburger at McDonald's or something? It's like, no, man. We're going to get you a freaking value meal. No, you ain't getting no hamburger, veteran. You're getting a value meal. That means, a Big Mac, a quarter pounder, fries, and a drink. Not just a hamburger, but you get the whole value meal. So, yeah. One thing that I will say about Call of Duty that I still love, and they still have one thing going for them that is freaking awesome: the Call of Duty Endowment Program. That's the only thing that they have going for them, and that's the only thing of Call of Duty that I will 100% get fully back up behind them, that I will support Call of Duty for. The Endowment Program. That's awesome. Don't know why Battlefield doesn't have like an endowment program. I mean, both of them are kind of like soldier war games. Don't know that. And getting back to control fleets, how come it's only like Call of Duty that has really like control fleets made just for the Call of Duty games? How come Battlefield doesn't have like special limited edition Battlefield control fleets? I mean, Call of Duty and Battlefield, they've been going head to head for years. My gun's better than yours. Your gun's just shoot. My gun's like, I need ammo. Here's ammo. I need to be healed. Here, you're healed. Revive me. You're revived, Respawn on me, They've been going head to head, but control freaks seems more Activision, Call of Duty, Pro, and then, yeah, basically, nothing for, the old Battlefield. But, yeah. Let's see what we actually get. First up, out of the box, we are greeted with a Steelbook. We have ruined battery. I can't remember who the heck this character is. Someone that I really don't use. And then we have some mystery person with the numbers again. That's taken off the mask. Yeah. Steelbook doesn't really look that awesome. I mean, maybe the front looks kind of awesome-ish. The back, not really. So open it up. What do we get? We do get our season pass in here. And by buying it this way, or just buying season pass, you get like, I think it's 10 or 20 bucks not off the price that I would usually pay for buying, the mask individually. So that's kind of cool. And then it says with Day 1 bonus classified zombie experience. There's a code. The code won't work. I already used the code, so yeah. But if you want to know when it expires 10/12/2023. This game, they're saying that the active servers for Call of Duty Black Ops 4 will be still up and running until 2023. The year 2023. If I could get my camera to focus here. Yeah. I don't know if people are still going to be playing Call of Duty Black Ops 4 in the year 2023. But, it's nice. I mean, well, let it. Call of Duty Black Ops 3, people are still playing Call of Duty Black Ops 3, so I guess. Yeah. Oh, and then you get, because of the Pro Edition, your DLC is going to be this. The Dios de Mios type of camo for your character. But the only BS, and only a BS on the Dios de Mios camo is you can only put the camo out for one of the specialist characters. That's right. So you can't say, ooh, Tort, you get it. Fireboy, you get it. Sheriff, you get it. Prophet, you get it. Nope. You choose one of those characters. You say, Any, mini, mighty, mo. Which character gets Cinco de Mayo camo? Oh, I guess it's you. And then, that character gets the camo, and the rest of them is like, man, what the F happened? Where's our freaking Cinco de Mayo camo? Only one specialist character. It's like a freaking pinata. Everyone's squaring to get that candy inside the pinata, but guess what? There's only one piece of candy in the pinata. That's kind of what this feels like. It's like going to a birthday party. It's like having a birthday and everyone showing up and not, giving you presents or gift cards or something. And they just spend like treat baits. I mean, it's kind of like a BS type of thing. So here's that signature weapon camo. Ooh, look, it's nice and shiny gold. One. It's freaking red. If you want the gold one, you gotta work and do your challenges to get the gold one. So, day 1, Pro Edition, gold camo. That's a lie. Also, there was the, order at GameStop, you're supposed to get the, Justice type of thing. It's some kind of golden, handgun. I still had not figured out how to unlock that, so that's kind of BS. 1,000 COD points. That's kind of messed up. I don't think you get the actual COD points. The Call of Duty Endowment card, that works. And then there's gestures that you could do, like you could do the dab and whatever else, the boogie bomb type of Fortnite thing. And you can spray paint and tag things, and like, oh, why you in game? Think about who the F in the white mind is gonna be. I'm in the game. I'm playing like Hardpoint, or I'm playing Domination, or I'm playing Team Deathmatch. Hold on. Let me do a little emoji here. Let me spray the wall. Oh, let me get shot and killed because I'm not focusing on the firefight or the guy coming for me to train whack me, spit roast me, which is what's happening in this game. The armor is garbage. The hitbox detection time to kill is garbage. The drug edit that you gotta keep on using that needle to heal, it's garbage. I like, the overtime you heal and you keep your mind focused on what has to be done, not this. Oh my god, I went in their corner. Oh wait, why did I get killed real fast? Oh, because I'm only down on 1 health. No, that's BS. I don't know who the heck Call of Duty at Activision and Treyarch decided that, yeah, let's make this game about hardcore drug junkies. Was like, yeah, I gotta use that needle. I gotta use that needle. Hey, if they want to make hardcore junkies, why not say, to heal up, you gotta use a crack pipe. Use the crack pipe! They might as well just say, hey, players, if your specialist character is, locked in only 1 health, what about that crack pipe? Get that green leaf. Start dabbing in a lid to use a dab lid, Hit the ball! You might as well, because you're pretty much a pro drug support. Although I could be wrong, it could be like, a insulin pen, it could be an EpiPen for someone that's like allergic to bee stings, it could be like one of those type of things. But I mean, come on, it's like every freaking 2 seconds. Gotta hit it up. It's like, oh my god, you freaking drug addict? You need to go to one of those meetings and get sponsored because you specialists are drug addicts. Like, it just says, oh, I gotta hit that needle. You gotta hit that needle. My health. Needle. Pfft, needle, nothing. I'm a pro. I don't use a needle. Because drugs are for losers. And that's what Call of Duty say. We 100% promote drug use. That's bad. But sticking yourself as a needle and getting in your veins, that's good. That's Call of Duty's. We support hardcore drugs promotion. I say, just let me take like 3 or 5 seconds and let my guy get his health back up. Like how he used to play. That everyone knows back in Call of Duty, pretty much majority of Call of Duty that was awesome and great. Here's what the disc looks like. Nothing too special. Let me kind of cut so you can see more of the bullet. I believe that's profit. That looks like tort or crash back there. This is your Chinese recon man. There's Sheriff, Nomad, Fireblade. I mean, the camos and stuff, you can't get like really good camos or anything for your specialists. I mean, it's kind of like garbage. Almost, I wouldn't say it's like Call of Duty Ghost garbage. I mean, that game was, oh my god, better. But it's like Call of Duty Infinity Warfare. I mean, that game was freaking awesome. Oh wait, no, I picked up every other game of Call of Duty was freaking awesome. Call of Duty Infinity Warfare, that was like, nice and wet. They forgot to wipe, I mean, garbage. So here's the Call of Duty Black Ops Specialist patches. So let's see if we could get the camera to focus here a little bit. There you go. So we have Fireblades patch, Tort, which I was using Tort in the beta, but now he's kind of garbage. Prophet, garbage. Battery, I guess she's okay. Nomad, kind of garbage. Ajax, he's pretty good. I'm using Ajax now over Tort. Recon's good. And Recon, I'd say if you could get a hold of Recon, if you're playing games like Hardpoint, go for a Recon. He's going to help your team out a lot. Ruin, they kind of made Ruin less of a character. Sheriff, haven't really tried Sheriff out yet. And then we have Crash. Crash is supposed to be this medic. He is garbage. I mean, I would have a medic from Battlefield 1 heal me. You know, I would have a unlicensed, actual real-life medic that lost their license, perform surgery on me and heal me, than the freaking Crash medic in Call of Duty Black Ops 4. I mean, seriously. He's horrible. What else do we get in here?